extend the airport in the city. So there are alternatives, and with economic models we could say something about, okay, if you put this 10 billion euros to the airport, this is what you most probably get out over like 20 years from now, and the university might produce some other streams of results in the sense of GDP, in the sense of employment, income, and other. CG models are frequently used impact estimation tools. There are others. There are economic models, there are DSG models. So CG models are one type of the tools. So there are different possibilities, but most popular is the GAMS, because it's directly built for such kind of computations. So GAMS runs on a regular computer. Even there is a trial version of GAMS, so it's free of charge. So once you have some basic knowledge about the CG modeling, and actually it's fun. It's fun because it's like you push this button, and at the end there is some changes, and so many things work within the model, which just you cannot think over with your mind. So in that sense, computers are more intelligent than a person. These interconnections, as I mentioned, interconnections of sectors, industries, regions. We're just not smart enough to follow these impacts. So.
Hello, my name is Norbert Szabo, and in this video I would like to show you how you can find GAMS online, how you can download it, and how you can use it. First of all, GAMS is an algebraic modeling system which can be used for various mathematical problems, even in economics. I'm using GAMS for computable general equilibrium modeling, doing simulations and things like that. Okay, so we have a model folder, and within the model folder we have a couple of files. I'm going to talk about them later. So we have an Excel file here that you can see, and this Excel file contains all the data we are going to use for the CG model. The first worksheet contains a very simplified version of an interregional social accounting matrix, SAM. And in this SAM is basically what we have is the data for a country, or in this case for a country with many regions, for a given calibration. Now this is the calibration file for the model. In this case, the first step what we have to do is to define the sets, the dimensions of the model, like the number of regions, the different agents in the model, the number of time periods, etc. So calibration is done, and you can see here the display, and you have many different things here. L01, K01, etc. They are going to be the check. So I hit the solution, run. Now GAMS is working on it, and it finished the problem. So basically it's a positive shock. We changed the TFP, the total factor productivity, in region 1 in a positive way, so we assume that there will be many positive changes in the system. So we will have the baseline numbers, the scenario numbers, and the difference between them is going to be the result of the model.